Steve here at Mr. Roof Repair, Jeff's Roofing. Here we go. Let's see why this is leaking. We got water traveling between the eaves and the fascia, dripping under the soffit, and conveniently creating water right in front of the garage, causing ice when it gets cold. Not convenient at all. So we get up above and look at a 4-year-old roof, or approximately 5 years old, and we can watch the water coming off the shingles and with the capillary action traveling up underneath, hitting the roof deck, wetting it, and the water traveling between the eaves and the fascia board. The reason for this leak is that there's no drip edge, there's no underlayment, it's just shingles on the wood, and the wood is soaking wet. There's a nice shingle job. They didn't even get the shingles to the outside edge of this roof, and there's no flashing exposed wood under the soffit. There's a spot where the flashing is buckled to shingles up. A driving rain can get up underneath there and leak. And this continued water flow is from an Eavestrough draining out onto the shingles. So this would just be a constant problem unless this roof gets done right with the right specs. Which that's what we're going to do here for Helen at 169 Stave in Richmond Hill.